Hi friends, I've been working on a project. Check out my blog and my YouTube channel for that project. It was an end table and a chest bench. Covered the top of a bench that I wanted to put in our guest room. But I wanted to show you what I do while I'm not quite finished with painting. I have done this for years and it's worked great. If it's an expensive brush, I don't recommend doing this because sometimes the baggie will dry it out or something, but for the most part I've used it and I've had this brush for a long time. But so I was painting this project and I needed to do some touch-ups after I covered the top in case I scratched it, staple gunning it or whatever. So what I normally do is I take a really soft grocery sack that you'd use for vegetables. The regular sacks you get at like checkout are too thick and they don't keep the air out as much. And then what I do is I twist it around the whole roller and then I squish it down and make sure that there's no air at all in there. And you can see, this is from last night, you can see the paint's soft, the thing is soft. Because if you rinse it out and then you have to touch something up, it's kind of frustrating to have to open it up and get another paintbrush dirty or something. So I just have always done this, and then I'll just leave it in the paint tray, and then I would just pull it out and start painting again. So like if I was painting a wall, I've done this for weeks when I've been painting rooms. I get one wall done and half of things moved and then move it over and everything. And I'm not sure why my camera keeps going blurry. It's a new camera and I'm kind of disappointed. But and then I do the same with the paintbrushes. After I did it, I was able to just pull this out of there and just touch up the edges right along the top on the sides where I had to staple gun it and it marred it a little bit. So I just wanted to share that, and check out my blog, thesecretsgratitude.com, and you can type any of those things into the search box at the bottom of the homepage and up will come a post about it. But I wanted to share that tip and trick. I've used it for seriously 20 years or so. And I also wanted to share that I bought this paint on clearance. You can kind of see this square clearance tag right there. I bought like 15 gallons of this at Kmart like 15, 17 years ago. And I was needing this cream color for the two items I was painting. And I went out and dug this out because it had never been opened, and I took it to Walmart and had them shake it, and it was perfect. You can see it coated really well, and the items are now in place and done. And so I just wanted to share that with you, that if you have a gallon that's not been used and it's hadn't been opened, try it. Can't hurt to save yourself some money. So I do have a fun blog post about that on my blog, thesecretsgratitude.com, and I think it's called Shake and Paint, or Shaken Not Stirred, or something like that. And that's a fun story about that. But thanks for watching and have a blessed day.